In this video, we're talking about how you can open a Google AdSense account. So you can see this is already the Google AdSense account that is attached to one of my YouTube channel, and in this is the last month payment. That is $161. And if I go to payments to show you the previous payments, I have to go payments and into view transaction, and you can see 161 last month, before that 176, and before that I received $216 from this one channel. So what I have to do to make a Google AdSense account and start earning, so first all you have to do is go to Google and search for Google AdSense. Make sure you are already signed in with an account that you want to be Google AdSense approved, or you want to make a Google AdSense account with. So what you have to do, go to Google AdSense, so what you have to do, come down here and fill up the form. So you have to, if you're an individual, just write individual, like you own the website. In the name and address, write your name that you have on your passport, or make sure that is on your national ID card, because in future when you're going to approve your channel or your AdSense account, they will send you a code on your address. So make sure to write your exact name, your own name, not the brand name, not the channel name, your own name, right? And in here write the address, and you can write another address, write the city, make sure to write a postal code and phone number, and make sure to write the exact address, because in future it is very hard to change the address, especially you cannot change the country. So remember, be very conscious when making an AdSense account. Try to choose a country where you are living in. So when you choose and all that, you submit your Google AdSense account. For example, you fill up the form at AdSense, and you will get to a dashboard like this. All right, so what you will have to do next, you have to go to YouTube. I'll go for YouTube channel. So in YouTube, when you're linking the Google AdSense account with your YouTube channel, go to YouTube, click on your picture on the sidebar, and go to YouTube Studio. And as you reach to YouTube Studio, you have to go to monetization. And on monetization, as you have reached the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, if you achieve that, automatically your channel will go into review for 15 days. And after that review, what happens that your channel, when your channel get monetized, it will start showing ads, and you will get an option like attach your site with Google AdSense. When you click that, it will give you few ID that you're logged in, and you will be clicking the ID which you want your AdSense to be attached with. So you have to write the email address of this Google AdSense account and submit it, and they will be attached. So any earning of this channel, of the channel you're using, will be sent to that Google AdSense account. And as you have wrote the address and all that, so as you reach the amount, the payment, as your payment reach above $100 or $100, the Google will send you a postal code in a letter, and it will send it to your postal code, that number, a code, it will send to your address, and you will have to write that code in a separate page. They will put it down in payments. It's not showing here, but you have to enter that code, and boom, you will start receiving the payments whenever your amount is above $100. So they will send you money through three types. You can receive money through Western Union, through your bank, but the fastest way is Western Union. They give you an NTN number. You just go to a bank or any place where Western Union is available, and get your cash out. That's it regarding opening a Google AdSense account and attaching it with YouTube channel. And for more videos, please make sure to comment and let us know. See you soon.